Have you ever pondered what would happen if humans suddenly vanished from the earth? Our cities left intact, our creations standing silent, awaiting nature's reclamation, while many might assume that primates or large mammals would rise to dominance. Oxford professor Tim Coulson offers a surprising perspective: the octopus. Octopuses are among the most intelligent creatures in the animal kingdom. They possess problem-solving abilities, can communicate through color changes, and adeptly manipulate objects. These traits position them as potential successors in a post-human world. Their intelligence is evident. But what makes octopuses particularly intriguing is their adaptability. Evolution has shown us that life doesn't cease. It reorganizes, adapts, and continues. Envision octopuses constructing their own underwater cities. It's not far-fetched to think that, given millions of years and the right environmental pressures, they could evolve abilities to explore terrestrial habitats, interacting with environments we once dominated. One might wonder, why not primates as our successors? Coulson suggests that primates' reliance on complex social structures could limit their adaptability in a world without humans. Octopuses, with their solitary nature and remarkable adaptability, might have an evolutionary advantage. Of course, octopuses would face significant challenges. Their lack of a skeleton and relatively short lifespans are notable obstacles. However, evolution is unpredictable. Given the right mutations and environmental pressures, who knows what capabilities they might develop over millions of years? Life on Earth has been shaped by unexpected events and adaptations for billions of years. While the idea of octopuses inheriting the Earth might seem like science fiction today, it's a testament to the incredible potential of evolution and the resilience of life. As we reflect on our place in the world, it's humbling to consider that life will persist and adapt. With or without us, the future heirs of Earth might be more unexpected than we can imagine.